Welcome back to the channel, and you probably guessed it by the title of this video, but I bought a boat. I mean, we bought a boat. Okay, he bought a boat, but that basically means that I bought a boat, right? Anyways, we're gonna go pick it up. We dropped it off with Sean over at BCM. Really good mechanic on the lake, and excited to show it to you. Hopefully we'll get to run it today, maybe not, but we did have a break in a really bad weather week, so hopefully we get to run it today, but we're pretty swamped. So here she is. It is a 2012 Mako Pro Skiff 17. This thing is awesome, and hopefully we'll get to do a lot of fishing videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd be interested in that, or videos on our boat. We did take it over to Sean over at BCM. I will leave his contact information in the description down below. He's a great mechanic in the Clear Lake, Houston area. I highly recommend him. He took care of us getting this thing up and running. And let me flip you around and start giving you a tour while he works on the trolling motor. So starting in the transom, we have a Mercury 60 horsepower, 4-stroke. Obviously this is a skiff. And so we got a platform back here, 6-gallon fuel tank, battery charger. Obviously those are cranking batteries. Moving forward to the helm, we have a fish finder, depth finder, chart plotter, just your standard helm wheel, and the trolling motor's spinning us around, which is a good sign. Power switch for your ignition, lights, bilge pump, aerator and live well, and then your horn works. And then a 12-volt plug. It had a stereo, no longer has a stereo. We're working on getting that replaced. Here, the helm seat is a cooler that is mounted down there. You got some storage and some rod holders along the sides of the center console, rod holders, and then just forward here is your live well, and we need to get a new gasket. Got a good deal on the boat, still needs a little bit of love. Moving forward, there is the captain himself steering the boat with his remote control. Continuing forward, nice platform we will get up there in a second, and then underneath, these are your trolling motor batteries. A little bit of storage right here, and then, excuse me, Captain. Sure. And then some storage here underneath the platform. We are getting a bimini for it, and by we I mean him, because you know it's hot.
Yeah.
So here she is. We're gonna run her, see how she runs, run her up down Dickinson Bayou. Neither one of us have been up and down here, so we're looking forward to it.
So it's got eye lock.
Oh, look at that. It's got a GPS lock. It'll keep you right in one spot.
I'm not doing anything.
Via remote control. Oh, very cool. Positioned us into the current, so it could keep us right here. That's awesome. So here she is, the USS Jarman, first boat that we've owned on the channel. And by we, I mean me. Anyways, let's run her, see how she runs. Something else I wanted to point out is it does have dual battery chargers here, so you can charge the batteries up there, and he runs it to a single extension cord. So you can charge both battery sets at one time. Very easy and convenient. In case you're wondering, this is a transom saver. Essentially keeps the engine from bouncing when you're trailering it, and it does have a trailer. Cup holder. Unfortunately, it is Friday in the middle of the workday, and we both got stuff to do. So just a quick trip. We just got the boat back, so we're both excited to get it in the water. There's a catamaran hole. You can get in about 6 inches of water in it. So hopefully we'll be fishing some Texas flats soon. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you're interested in seeing. And I think it's a sweet setup. First of many, hopefully, boats on this channel. Boats I'll put away, and Memorial Day weekend is this weekend, so hopefully we'll get to use the boat a lot more. And again, let me know in the comments down below if you do want to see some trips that we do on it, you know, some maintenance and things that we're doing on the boat. Let me know if you're interested. Figured I'd bring you all along for the rest of the workday. It's actually pretty busy. We are here right now taking photos of this beautiful tiara that we are listing. So if you are not already, subscribe for a full walkthrough of this boat because it will be coming. And look how beautiful that is. I don't want to give too much away because you're going to need to watch that video. So I'm going to get a bunch of photos and videos of this boat. And then I have a showing on a 340 Sundancer. And then we're going to go list another 340 Sundancer. We just got another boat loaded onto a trailer, a delivery. So it is very busy today, very busy before Memorial Day weekend. And then the boating season really kicks off. So should be a good summer. It's going to be hot. Look at those. Little sneak peek of videos to come. All right, so we ran right across the marina to the other dock to show this boat. The client is on the boat now, going through the boat actually with the owner because he happened to be here. And if you want to tour this boat, I will leave a card up in the corner here for a full walkthrough. It's a beautiful boat, so make sure you check that video out. When we're done here, we will head over to list another 340 Sundancer, which happens to be the same boat as this one. So, all right, so really the point of this video was we just bought a boat and I was very excited to bring it to y'all. I brought you along for work today. I just got done shooting this beautiful 340 Sundancer, which we will have a full tour of very shortly, so stay tuned. New videos coming every Sunday. As the boating season picks up, we are listing more and more boats, so hopefully the videos will start rolling again. If you've been around the channel for a while, you kind of know how this goes. It comes and goes in waves, but I'm going to try to be more consistent. I got to be more consistent. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing. Stay tuned. Be on the lookout for a tour of this beautiful, very clean 340 Sundancer, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.